Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to book an online session with a peer tutor and then use the online classroom. You can search for tutors by subject, course name, or simply their first name here. And then you should see a list of peer tutors. This is just for example. You can view their profile just by clicking on it and scroll down just to check their credentials. And let's land at availability. This is the important part. You can see a peer tutor's availability throughout the month or during the week by looking at the green time slots. The yellow ones are drop-in sessions. Let's choose this one from 8 to 9 on the 25th. And just make sure that the type is online. And here, what do you need help with? Let's just type in need help with accounting 1110 or anything else specific that you want to mention. You can drop in any files here so that your tutors can prep ahead of time. And book session. You'll see a confirmation right here. When it's time for the session, you can go to Bookings here and view all. Then click on here and join session. Then it will bring you to the online classroom. All right, so we're in the online classroom now. This is the whiteboard where you can draw, write, or insert any files and work on it at the same time. So you can click on the pencil and then that's free drawing. You can erase like so, or you can just simply erase the entire board by clicking on the trash can like this. Okay. You can add as many boards as you like, and you can see my student, she's on the second one, and now she's on the third one with me, and here's her cursor. Okay, on the third board we can click on shapes and draw any shapes we like so. And then you can edit the text, font size. You can, in fact, enter a math formula here. You can change the colors, thickness here. And you can even change the background of your whiteboard here. So if you prefer a blackboard appearance, you can click on blackboard and it will change to a higher contrast one. You can insert files from your computer or just drag and drop the ones you like here onto your whiteboard and work on it together. Once you're done, you can export whatever is on your whiteboard as a file and save to your computer. You can share your screen here. And at any time, if you want to adjust any settings, so audio, video, screen sharing, and whatnot, you can click on settings here. If you need help or want to submit a technical support ticket, you can click on help here. These are the tabs that you can work on. So we have our whiteboard, and then we have text editor, code editor, and file sharing, where you can upload files ahead of time or during the session and then work on it together and then download it, of course, to your own computer. So if you like to end the session ahead of time, you can click here, End Session. And then please fill out the reason for ending your session. So our support team knows that you're okay with ending the session earlier. So let's just say that, we completed our session ahead of schedule and then end session. Okay, great. So here, don't forget to save your recording by clicking on it, and then it will automatically go to your default download folder. And then you can leave Classroom here.